In this example, I'm not changed anything, like fruit it was already there. Okay, fruit it was there, but still it is removing that. Okay, now if I remove this in the list, from the list, if I again execute, what it will do? See, pop it will remove the last element of the list. Okay, pop will remove the last element of the list, whereas this remove, you can mention which element you want to remove. Okay, even I will mention here, but if you mention only pop, it is going to remove the last element. See, I'll mention banana, we'll see how it will remove. Okay, 1 second, here it. Now if I execute, type error, str object cannot be interpreted. What is that? What happened? Banana, what now? Nothing is wrong. Let me, no, we can't give, I think, pop fruit. Hello everyone. See, now if I again execute this, what will be the output? See, it's giving error. Why? Because I don't know. We should not use anything inside the pop, I think. If anyone knows better than me, can text in this live chat. Let me know. Okay, if I give this, it will remove the last, that is pineapple. It will remove and give the current list now. Like this, it works. See, maybe I can give it like this, I think. Let me give mango and give in a bracket. If I give like that, still it will show an error. That's okay. We'll move anyway. We have done that execution already. See, remove is over, pop is over. Pop will remove the element at the last and delete. Delete it. You can delete the specific position. Okay, delete fruits of one, print of fruits, like that. It is very easy. See, just you can give. Okay, delete. See, instead of like this, you can just give delete dot fruits of, okay, which element at what positions you can mention. You can mention the position. I used correctly. Sorry, dot, no, no dot. Okay, when you are going to use delete, you should not use like this dot, and you just leave it as it is. See, position, yes, banana is removed, right? At the position 1, what is there? Currently banana was there. It has removed that and it is given the list, that is updated list, that is apple, mango, pineapple. This is how delete works. Easy, right? These removing options are easy. Yes. Next is clear. Fruits dot clear. See, you're going to use fruits dot clear. Remember the syntax, okay? How you should use fruits dot clear. See, yeah, just fruits dot clear. Just I'm going to see what will happen. This clear and pop are same. See, if you give clear, the completely the list will be empty and you are going to get the bracket. See the answer